recognize this island and Chinese territory. 12 miles is the exact territorial waters ready for any land surface area within those 12 miles. It's to say we don't recognize this is a Chinese landmass. This man-made island here and is always on a staff the U.S. European. Made this year when its last surveillance plan. Here and is always on staff the U.S. European made this year when its last surveillance plan. We were on board directly over these islands to say that the USA is now recognizing Chinese airspace over the island. You can be with the two of them together as a direct message with military backing in the battle in the area to see the task is going to challenge China's territorial claim is the South China Sea. Here has a question issued because listen in the ideal world the USA would like them to hear this island out there and move away, but you know pretty little. China has built 2,000 acres of land and didn't exist in the South China Sea on a number of what were just campuses really not very locked in the ocean. You got right a number of variants that have been equipped with as strip imports as military installations, backlights, etc. So you know, I don't think anyone accepts that China's going shut us up and move away, but the comment will be there, okay, you have got clear this land is the recognized or that them as your territory. And move away, but the comment will be there, okay, you have created this land is the recognized or take them as your territory going forward, and will continue to follow this plan to continue to sell this ship as much now from a political standpoint. China would still have the ISO standpoint. China would still have the exploration of some of the third of unsinkable aircraft carriers in effort right. They have got landing ships, ports, etc. Total of statements, and in the manner we just had a summit president video by Yi to Washington. Clearly this is on the table and clearly was not.